Hi, my name is Alex Poisina. I'm the campus director at Pima Medical Institute in San Marcos in the heart of North City. Come explore the campus with me. So the first program to explore is our veterinary assistant program, and right here is their lab. So we're in our veterinary assistant lab, and we're here with one of our instructors, Miss Marina, who will tell us a little bit about the program.
Hello, so we're currently in the veterinary assistant lab. This is where we get our hands on with our cats and dogs, get some real life experience before they head out into externship.
Thanks, Marina.
Yeah, of course.
Come with me as we explore our vet tech lab. So over here we have some wet exam tables, area for radiography here. And right over here we have our surgical suite. These are probably the stars of the show, but we have the bunnies. Next up is our dental assistant lab. We have 6 operatories over here. We have a lecture environment on this side. And then we have a mold lab. Hopefully we'll make a good impression on you. Welcome to our student lounge, where students have a chance to take a break between classes, grab a bite to eat, and hang out with their friends. This is our pharmacy technician lab, and this is our lead instructor, Ms. Kathy Becker. Kathy, can you tell us a little bit about pharmacy technician?
Sure. So when we teach pharmacy technician, we teach it in 3 different avenues. We teach compounding pharmacy, where it's kind of like cooking or chemistry, where we take medication that normally doesn't exist in pharmacy and we actually make it. Then we also teach pharmacy in the hospital, and then we teach retail pharmacy. So we teach our students how to find the right medications, how to type prescriptions, how to interact with patients, just anything that our pharmacy technicians would need to know at an entry-level position.
Thank you, Ms. Becker.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you. Now follow me as we head towards our medical assistant lab. Welcome to our medical assistant lab. Students will be able to learn venipuncture, taking vitals, and running ECGs. Welcome to our respiratory therapy lab. Step right in. In this environment, students have a safe learning laboratory environment where they can learn on mannequins from pediatrics all the way up to adults. And this allows them to get prepared to go out on clinical in the hospital environments so that they can be successful for their future. Welcome to our occupational therapy lab. Our occupational therapy assistants will be trained to help patients get through disease process, injury, stroke, things of that nature, that they can then be trained to how to adapt to be able to do their daily functions of life. Our OTAs provide dignity and independence to our patients that are struggling with these problems. Thank you for exploring our campus. Your next step is to go to pmi.edu for more information.